wine slow for me, tick tock for me, baby, jump it like that. I want you move slow to me, cautiously, baby, I love it like that. Cause when you dress up in your two-piece and your short shorts, baby, you really look good. I need to ask you what you use in your skin.
So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn, and if you're new, feel welcome. So today I'm showing you how I put on my fake eyelashes, or how I achieve them. And I'm using Saimere eyelashes number 11, and the glue that I'm using is royal glue. It's white in color, but the good thing about it is that it dries clear. Okay, so step number 1, what you want to do is hold your eyelash at the middle part, and then you apply glue as I'm doing on the eyelash band. And then after applying your glue, you want to wait for like 30 seconds for the glue to get tacky. And I usually find myself blowing the eyelash, which is not really necessary, guys. It's just after your 30 seconds, with or without blowing, your eyelash is ready to be applied.
Baby, tell me how your skin so smooth. Cause when I want some, you tick-tock on me, baby, I love it like that. I want you move on it, move cautiously, baby, sometimes on the slide. Your skin real tight, you are my type.
So as you apply your eyelash, you're going to hold the middle part and then place the middle part on the middle part of your eyelid, and please place it as close as possible near your real lashes. Go to one end to the other end of your eye of the fake eyelash, press it down towards your skin, and the same thing on the other side of the eyelash. And you want to bring this eyelash as close as possible. And then what I love doing is I come pinching the two lashes together, the fake lashes and my real lashes together, so as to make sure that the two lashes, or the fake and the real lashes, are as close as possible to each other.
Baby, jump it like that. I want you move slow to me, cautiously, baby, I love it like that. Cause when you dress up in your two-piece and your short shorts, baby, you really look good. I need to ask you what you use in your skin, baby, tell me how your skin so smooth. Cause when I went so on it, you tick-tock on me, baby, I love it like that. I want you move on it, move cautiously, baby, sometimes on the slide.
So for the other eyelash, I do just the same thing as I did to my first eyelash. You apply glue on the band of your fake eyelash, you hold it for like 30 seconds again, and after that you apply as I did with the first one. Again, you hold the middle part of the fake eyelash, place it at the middle part of your eyelid as close as possible to your real lashes. Make sure the two ends are lying flat on your skin, because if they're not, girl, you will walk out of that door looking crazy and looking all funny. So please ensure but the both ends are lying down on your skin. Again, ladies, please make sure the fake eyelash is as close as possible to your real lashes, because you'll go out there looking crazy.
Dress up in your two-piece and your short shorts, baby, you really look good. I need to ask you what you use in your skin, baby, tell me how your skin so smooth. Cause when I went so on you tick-tock on me, baby, I love it like that. I Cause just the baby sometimes on the slide. Just a baby sometimes on the slide. Your skin real tight, you are my type. Believe me, I got a hook onto you. I don't know.
Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends. See you in the next video guys. Bye.